It's about Mullah Nasruddin. It was afternoon time, it was 12 o'clock. Mullah Nasruddin was going to the namaz. He was running like a mad guy, like Puppet does, you see. Hurry, worry, and curry. He was actually having a bicycle and he was running. He was sweating like mad. People thought he was crazy. So one of the guys ultimately had the courage and he came down and he said, Mullah, salam alaikum. Mullah was not in a hurry to say even wa alaikum salam. He said, bolo, kya baat hai yaar? Are Mullah, it seems that you are in great hurry. He said, time waste mat karo, mere ko jaane ka hai. Are Mullah, kahan ja rahe ho? Bolta hai, Mullah ki daud masjid tak hoti hai na. I'm going to the mosque. He said, then why don't you ride the cycle? And Mullah, typical puppet, said, अरे टाइम किधर है कमबख्त मेरे पास साइकिल पे बैठने का, जाने दो. The greatest challenge a man faces in 21st century is to find time for God. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, Sai Krishna told as a Krishna to Arjuna, Yat karosi yad ajnasi, yat juhosi dadasi yat tapasyasi gaunde tat kurush madarpanam. Oh Arjuna, whatever you do, at the end of the day, the bottom line should be Krishnarpanamastuhu. So in that spirit, I am saying, Baba, puppet bolta hai, mere bhai bihan ke behalf se. On behalf of everybody, I am offering this prayer to Baba. Kayena vachana manasendriyerva, buddhyatmanava prakritis svabhava, karomi adyat sakalam parasme, Narayana iti samarpayami, Satyanarayana iti samarpayami, Shirdi Narayana iti samarpayami, Sai Narayana iti samarpayami.
It's a vocal music concert by Sri Raghavendra. He happens to be the son and the disciple of Padma Bhushan, Sri Mushnam Rajarao and Padma Sandilyan. Currently, he is groomed by Sanjay Subramanian. Well, this vocalist, Raghavendra, is followed by Charlata Ramanujam on violin, who happens to be the disciple of Pudukkottai, R. Ramanathan and late K. Rangaswamy, and also happens to be the disciple of late Anu Ramakrishna and R. K. Srikanthan. And we have on Mridangam Sri H. S. Sudhindra, who is the disciple of M. Vasudeva Rao and Sri Mushnam Raja Rao. And we have Sri Shashi Shankar on Ghatam, who is the disciple of Sri Ravi Shankar and Ghatam Suresh. We welcome them and we pray Bhagavan to shower his choicest blessings on Raghavendra and his team.
Sarigama padani varasapta swara, sarigama padani varasapta swara, nityalolam vidalita kalam, vidyalolam vidalita kalam, vimala hridaya Tyagarajapalam, Vimala Hridaya Tyagarajapalam, Nada Tanu Manisham Shankaram, Namami me Manasa Sirasa, Nada Tanu Manisham పోషించి వర భగవతులతో పోషించి వర భగవతులతో పోషించి వర త్యాగరాజను తోడనియే భగవతులతో పోషించి వర త్యాగరాజను తోడనియే శివ 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 యనరాధ ఓ మమ భయవాదన్ అనరుగోర శివ 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 యనరాధ अनिशमभीत कुचाबसमेतं मरुणाचलना మగరే మబనిద మబనిద సగరే మబనిద మన వ్యాళకి మగరే సగరే మబని మగరే సగరే మబనిద ని మగరే సగరే మబనిద గరి దని మగరే మగరే ని మబని ని రి 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 మగరే మబనిద సగరే మబనిద రి సగరే మబనిద గరి మగరే పరిదని పదని ని మగరే మన వ్యాళకి చరాతటే మమలదు వదనే మన వ్యాళకి చరా